Hello my dear students, welcome to ReadMath JEE Made Easy YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve class 11 exercise 10 miscellaneous chapter, and today's problem is question number 18. So the question is saying find the image of the point 3, 8 with respect to the line x plus 3y equal to 7, assuming the line to be a plane mirror. So we have to find the image of this point with respect to this line. So let's draw the picture. So assuming that this is the line x plus 3y equal to 7, this is the line, and we have this point 3, 8 here. This is the point A. Let's suppose this is the point A, and we have to find the image with respect to this line. So let's suppose this is the image, this is B. So let us draw a perpendicular from this point to this point A, from A to B, and denote this point of intersection by C. You can clearly see that C point is the midpoint of A and B, because the point 3, 8 and the distance between this line and the point is same as this line and this B point. That is why this is the image or counter point. So we can write C is the midpoint of A and B, and once again we have drawn this AB, join this AB point with a perpendicular line. That means AB is perpendicular to L. L means this line is denoted by L. So AB is perpendicular to L. So the slope of AB, what is the slope of AB? Slope of L is equal to, let's suppose it M equal to that means 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3x plus minus 1 by 3x. So the slope of AB is minus 1 by 3x, because x plus 3y equal to 7, that implies 3y equal to minus x plus 7, that means y equal to minus 1 by 3 x plus 7 by 3. That means slope of L is 1 by 3. Therefore the slope of AB is equal to plus 3, because this is the perpendicular, and this multiplying this 2, we will get minus 1. So that is slope of AB is 3. So now we can find out the equation of AB. Now equation of AB is, we have one point, that is 3, 8, and slope is 3. So we will have the equation y minus 8 by x minus 3 equal to 3. That means y minus 8 equal to 3x minus 9. That means 3x minus y plus minus 9 plus 8 equal to 0. That means 3x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation of AB. Now we can find the intersecting point C by solving these two equations, x plus 3y equal to 7, and this equation, solving x plus 3y equal to 7 and 3x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, by solving this, multiply this with 3. That means we get 9x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, then add this and this add, so we get 9x plus x and 3y minus 3y is 0 and 7 plus 3 equal to 10. So plus 7, sorry, equal to plus 7 plus 3, that means 10x equal to 10, that means x equal to 1 and y equal to, what is y equal to 7 minus x by 3, 7 minus x by 3, that means 7 minus 1 by 3 and 6 by 3 means 2. So we have got the point C, that is 1 comma 2. So now see the picture again. Here it is my A, this is my point B, this is the image point, this is the image, and this B is same distance from C as C, A from C. So C is the midpoint. So by the midpoint formula, so C equal to 3 plus x by 2 comma 8 plus y by 2, where b equal to x comma y. Okay, and a equal to 3 comma 8. So we are comparing these two. So 3 plus x by 2 equal to 1, that implies x equal to minus 1, and 8 plus y by 2 equal to 2, that means y equal to minus 4. Okay, so we have got the point x comma y, that is equal to minus 1 comma minus 4. So this is the answer, this is the image point. Okay, this is the image of 3 comma 8 with respect to this line x plus 3y equal to 7. Okay, so that's it for today. I will be back with another problem. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.